Hi students, welcome back to our channel Chemistry Lab. So today in the present video we are going to see about the topic that is Levous concept. That is what are the basic concept for the acid and bases, what is meant by Levous acid and Levous base, and what are the differences between the Levous acid and Levous base. Let us see the video. Let us see about the Levous concept. First we will see about the basic definitions of acid and base. So acid is a species that accepts the electron pair. So those species which accepts the electron pair is called as acid. And base is those species which donates the electron pair. This is the basic concept of acid and base. And let us see about what is meant by Levous acid and what is meant by Levous base. So Levous acid, that is, it is a positive ion or electron deficient molecule. It is a positive ion or cation, or it is an electron deficient molecule. And what is meant by Levous base? It is an anion or it is a neutral molecule. Anion or neutral molecule which contains at least one lone pair of electrons. So that is called as Levous base. So let us see the example for this, and this is boron trifluoride BF3. It is added with ammonia which containing one lone pair of electrons. Here it is Levous base and here it is Levous acid. So Levous acid which accepts the pair of electrons from Levous base, that is electron deficient. It is Levous acid, it is electron deficient and it accepts the electron from the Levous base. It is electron pair donor. So electron deficient is Levous acid and electron pair donor is Levous base. So to form a adduct, this is a product, and a coordinate covalent bond is formed between this nitrogen and boron. So boron has a vacant 2p orbital which accepts the lone pair of electrons from ammonia to form a coordinate covalent bond. So this is the example, and generally the ligands acts as a Levous base. That is generally the ligands which donates the pair of electron acts as a Levous base. And the Levous acid is the central metal ion or atom. So the central metal ion or atom which accepts the pair of electrons from ligands. So the central metal ion or atom which accepts the pair of electron from ligand. So the ligand acts as a Levous base and the central metal ion or atom acts as a Levous acid. So this is the example, and let us see about the differences between Levous acid and Levous base. So we already seen that Levous acid is a electron deficient molecule. Electron deficient molecule, for example, boron trifluoride, aluminum trichloride, beryllium trifluoride. These are all the electron deficient molecules which acts as Levous acid. And molecules with one or more lone pair of electrons acts as a Levous base. We already seen that Levous base is an anion or neutral molecule which contains at least one lone pair of electrons or more than one lone pair of electrons. This is the Levous base. The second difference is all metal ions or atoms. That is all metal ions. That is, we already seen that central metal ion or atoms which acts as Levous acid. So for example, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, iron, chromium 3 plus, copper 2 plus. So all metal ions or atoms which are Levous acids. Here all anions, that is, we already seen that Levous base is an anion. So fluorine, chlorine, CN, thiocyanate, sulfate, all the anions are Levous base. This is the second difference. And third one is molecules which contain a polar double bond. So for example, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide. So sulfur dioxide is written as yes, double bond O, double bond O. So, the molecules which contains polar double bonds acts as Lewis acid, and those molecules that contain carbon-carbon multiple bond means double bond or a triple bond, that are the these are the multiple bonds. So, for example, ethylene CH2 double bond CH2, here double bond, and here it is acetylene CH triple bond CH. So, the molecules which containing multiple bonds, double bond or triple bond, acts as the Lewis base. This is the third difference. Last one is, so Lewis acid is for example carbonium ion. Already seen that it is a positive ion. So, carbonium ion means C plus. So, for example CH3 trimethyl C plus. So, it is a carbonium ion. So, Lewis base is a anion. So, carbanion. Already seen that it is a anion. So, carbanion. For example CH3 minus. So, this is the last difference. So, Lewis acid is carbonium ion, that is positive ion. Lewis base is carbanion, that is anion, negative ion. So, these are all the difference between Lewis acid and Lewis bases. So, in this video we had seen about the basic concept of Lewis acid and Lewis base, examples and differences between the Lewis acid and Lewis base. So, if you all like this video, please share this video, please subscribe our channel Chemistryy and also support our channel. Thank you.